Hello everybody, and welcome back to Lewis Tours videos. I'm just gonna kind of show you. Here's like a walking. I will. What? Anyway, here's a walking trip. The walking trip, Bama. Oh, it's Obama. I thought it said Bama. Oh, it's Obama. Anyway, and yeah, you should have brought Dent's walking stick. We got this walking stick from a guy at a Hampton Inn in Alexander City that one time on the way down here. Anyway, so here's the trail up the Spruce Knob. Very, not a very long trail. Good view through there. Okay, so funny joke. We parked.
Tell him the second part after it.
Anyway, so we parked, and there was this dog barking.
No, I'll tell him the second part, okay?
Anyway, so we parked, and then there was this dog barking in this pickup next to us, and then so I said, "Oh, I know, it must suck being in that car. It must be so rough."
Wow, Ryan, you're very punny.
Thank you. Thank you. We're leaving them in the dust.
That joke was so stupid, it was funny.
It was so stupid, it was...
Dumb pun.
It must be so rough. So rough. Rough. That must be so rough. That was so dumb. I'm very punny. So is the high point still down this trail here?
I don't think so, no.
Oh, it's right here? Up the stairs to the highest point. I'm very punny. Stairs lead to more stairs. Stand in line to get a ticket to come back and stand in line. Stand in line to come back and get a ticket to stand in line. Oh, wow. Stand in line to get... Ladies and gentlemen, this is Spruce Knob, the highest point, the highest natural point in the state of West Virginia.
There's barely any hiking involved.
Well, there's a trail down there we might want to take a look at.
That would be a cool trail, don't you think?
Not really.
Well, it would be cool for views, wouldn't it?
For you, it would.
Sign right here.
I don't care about views.
Isn't that cool?
Bye.
Right there. See, I thought there would be a sign too. Are you sure this is the highest point?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't usually put an observation tower at some other spot.
Ooh, I love that date because that was when we got out of school. 6/14. But I hate 9/5.
What's 9/5?
The day we go back to school.
How about 9/1?
9/1 is when I get my cast off, hopefully.
How about 9/11?
Now that one just sucks for historical reasons.
Yeah. Well, for me?
I have a board meeting that night.
Which night?
September 11th.
Oh, I thought you meant like September 1st. Like, not very crowded up here.
What pictures are we going to want here?
Okay, I just want to finish my video.
When I'm going in there,
So you see, not too much up here. You can't see that much that way, just kind of trees and... So I'm just gonna kind of do a pan around here, just, you know, for the good views.
Ryan,
Yes.
going to my orthodontist appointment on August 28th is gonna be like, I'm gonna go in there like this. Oh, happy days, because I think I'm getting my appliance off, and then they're not gonna take it off, and I'll be like, all around me, familiar faces.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, this is Spruce Knob, the highest natural point in the state of West Virginia.
Wow. Cement. Cool.
Not cement. Not cement, Reagan. The mountains.
Ooh, mountains. Amazing. Whoop, whoop.
funny that we started at Disney World, which is so low, so crowded, and so hot. And now we're up here, which is so high, so not crowded, and so cool.
Cool in which way?
Like cold. And you get this really good view there. And so my battery's kind of getting a little bit low, so I'm just going to end this pretty soon, just so that I can kind of preserve that for if we, go walking down that trail or something. So, anyway, I'm just going to do a quick pan around here, and that'll end the video. So, I know this wasn't very long. I would have made it longer, but we're kind of on a tight schedule here. So, anyway.
How are we on a tight schedule? I'm going, what? Why? Because I'm right.
And then I'll conclude with this view of the mountains here. Very, very cool.
They're going to put braces on me, aren't they?
Do you have to talk about that now?
Well, Dad said that they will. He said, yeah, they're probably going to put you in some. See?
You're just asking me to guess.
Would you like an arm brace?
Yeah, how about a cast? Would you like one of those?
No. Yeah, but a cast is only on temporarily.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, this has been Spruce Knob, the highest natural point in the state of West Virginia, USA. I'll conclude looking out at the mountains.